In this video, best budget self-propelled lawnmower.
Finding the best products can be very difficult, especially on a tight budget. That's why we surveyed the market and took into account both user reviews and professional reviews. We evaluated these products based on how many different factors, such as performance, quality, durability, and value for the money. If you choose from our list, you can be sure that you'll be buying a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. Let's get started with the list.
Best budget self-propelled lawnmower.
Starting off our list at number 5. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. These are our ratings for this product. At number 3. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2 in the list. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best budget self-propelled lawnmower.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below. We will get back to you as soon as we can.